Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 27th of July, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 hit a new high today of 7,431 points, up 0.5%. It also hit a new intraday high of 7,445 points. The continuing bad news around COVID out of New South Wales. Today, the state recorded 172 new cases, of which 79 were in the community for at least part of the time they were infectious, just hasn't stopped investor confidence. BHP's share price today jumped 2.8%, while Fortescue Metals and Rio Tinto were both at least 1.5% higher. The big banks did well, led by Commonwealth Bank, which rose 1.4%. Woodside was up nearly 2%, while Telstra jumped 1.6%. The tech stocks were among the worst performers. Cloud accounting group Xero was down 1.8%, while buy now, pay later company Afterpay was off 1.5%. The healthcare groups also underperformed. Fisher & Paykel Healthcare and Cochlear were both down 2%, while market leader CSL was off 0.4%. The A2 Milk Company can't find any friends at the moment. It was the worst performing stock on the bourse today, down 6.3%, and it's off almost 70% over the past year. It's a bit the same for Crown Resorts, though nowhere near as severe. Crown dropped 5.5% today. Steel Group BlueScope's share price surged almost 7% to its highest level since 2008, after upgrading its earnings forecast for the last financial year. Earnings will be more than $1.7 billion thanks to strong demand and high prices for steel. Demand in its Australian, New Zealand and US markets are all high. Oz Minerals said copper production jumped 22% during the June quarter, sending its share price up almost 7%. The group said revenue of almost $1 billion for the 6 months to the end of June meant Oz Minerals had a cash balance of $134 million with no debt. Not bad. Higher than forecast oil and LNG prices have helped Oil Search post a 21% increase in revenue during the June quarter, though production volumes fell. The group, which has rejected a $23 billion takeover bid from Santos, said the macro environment had helped drive the result. An online furniture and homeware retailer, Temple & Webster, said pre-tax earnings last financial year jumped by more than 140%, as active customers grew 62% during the lockdowns. People stuck at home, logged on, and bought goods and shackles at retailers like Temple & Webster. The group's share price closed up more than 7% today. Just recapping Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 both closed up 0.2%, while the Nasdaq ended flat. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 27th of July, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.